Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make pasta and pasta sauce with meatballs with 52 essential life skills. Let's get started. First, put the water inside the pot. Then turn the stove to high. Okay, while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's get started on the meatballs and the sauce. I can't wait for these meatballs to get into my tummy. Alright, now that the water is boiling, let's add some salt and pasta. Make sure not to get burned. My pasta sauce already has salt, so I'm just gonna add a little. Now let's make the pasta dance in the pot. Stir the pasta so it doesn't stick together. Now make sure to read your pasta package for how long you should cook it for. Now let's give the sauce and the meatballs a little stir. This sauce smells amazing. Make sure they are cooked evenly. Now let's hop over to the pasta. Cook the pasta till it's tender, but not too mushy. My pasta packet says 8 to 10 minutes, and it has been 9 minutes. So I'm gonna taste my pasta. And it tastes about right. Let's transfer the pasta into the sauce. I'm gonna save the rest for butter noodles. Let's give it a stir and it'll be ready to eat. Let's make sure the pasta is wearing its sauce coat before it goes to the plate party. Yum yum! I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. Thank you for watching.